everyone! Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and why its upgraded design might cause some unexpected problems down the road. Now, before we get into the potential issues, let's talk about what's new with the S25 Ultra. Compared to the S24 Ultra, there aren't massive changes, but Samsung has made a few notable upgrades. The screen is now slightly bigger at 6.9 inches, it has the faster Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and the ultra-wide camera has been upgraded to 50 megapixels. The design has also changed a bit, with flatter sides and subtly curved edges replacing the sharp corners of its predecessor. But one of the most noticeable design changes is in the camera rings. Samsung took inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and added bold black camera rings to the S25 Ultra. At first glance, this might seem like a simple cosmetic change, but a closer look suggests it could be a problem in the long run. A recent teardown by the YouTube channel Jerry Reads Everything revealed some interesting details. Unlike previous Ultra models, the S25 Ultra's camera lenses are slightly elevated and aren't firmly attached to the phone's base. This creates two major concerns. First, there's a small gap between the camera rings and the phone's surface. This might not seem like a big deal, but dust and debris could easily accumulate in that space over time. And we all know how annoying it can be to clean out tiny crevices on a phone. The second and more serious issue is that the camera rings aren't securely fastened. They're really glued into place rather than being firmly attached to the phone. During the teardown, even a simple razor knife was enough to pry them off effortlessly. That means if something forceful, like a drop or a strong pull, hits the camera area, it could rip off part of the back glass. That's definitely not something you want happening on a $1,300 phone. Nelson, the host of Jerry Reads Everything, reassured that the camera rings don't look like they'll fall off on their own. However, the fact that they can be removed so easily raises concerns about long-term durability. Another downside of the S25 Ultra is its display. Nelson found that the screen is actually easier to scratch than the one on the S24 Ultra, but there's a reason for that. Samsung has made the display a little softer to improve its shatter resistance. Harder displays are more scratch resistant, but more likely to crack on impact. So, in a way, it's a trade-off between scratch resistance and durability against drops. On the bright side, the S25 Ultra has proven to be very sturdy when it comes to structural integrity. Just like previous Ultra models, the phone didn't bend or flex during durability tests, which is a relief for those who worry about build quality. Despite these concerns, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is still shaping up to be a powerful flagship device. If you're someone who prioritizes high-end performance, a large display, and improved camera system, it could still be a great choice. Just keep in mind the potential durability concerns, especially with the camera rings and the softer display. The Galaxy S25 series officially starts shipping on February 7, so if you're planning to get one, let us know in the comments. Are you worried about these design issues, or do you think they won't be a big deal? That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.